If you don't like waiting for Steam downloads but still want your games fast, then try these simple fixes. First, open Steam, hit Settings, go to Downloads, and click Clear Download Cache. You'll have to log in again, but trust me, it's worth it. Next, switch your download region to a server closer to you. It can seriously boost speed. While there, double-check that you haven't set any bandwidth limits or enabled throttle downloads while streaming. Uncheck those boxes and remove limits for full power. Now, restart your PC and Steam. Sometimes the simplest move works wonders. Still slow? Run a speed test to make sure your internet's not the real culprit. Open Task Manager, find Steam.x, and set its priority to high. If you're running antivirus or firewall software, try disabling it temporarily. Just remember to turn it back on later. Update your network drivers and, if possible, swap Wi-Fi for a wired Ethernet connection. Finally, check your SSD's disk load. If it's maxed out, Steam won't fly. Quick recap: clear cache, change region, lift limits, restart, check connection, boost priority, and keep your SSD running light. Now go download those games.